Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. Today we have a Fashom unboxing. And as you'll notice, the background's a little different. I am still here. I am still moving. I'm dropping my phone. I'm still moving out of my house. This is one of our, pretty much empty guest bedrooms. The other guest bedroom where I filmed before, I took down all my decor and everything, so we're bare bones in it today. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try the other room. It's more empty, and that's what we're doing. So we have a Fashom unboxing today. I have not looked at the bundle yet. That's my dog right there. If anyone can see her laying on the ground. Hey. Anyway, I have not looked at the physical bundle yet. Let me scooch with my chair. With Fashom, they do send you a preview of what they're sending you and why they sent you what they sent you. So that's kind of cool because I like to peek when I get my Stitch Fix boxes. I'm figuring out the lighting in here. Sorry guys if it's like crazy lighting. But Fashom is $20 styling fee per box. It's not a subscription. You just order on demand when you want it. And it's $20 per box. That $20 goes towards what you keep in that box. They donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue NYC Dogs, which is amazing, for every box that is ordered. And yeah, it's just really cool. It's not a subscription, just do it when you want to. Long story short, let's read our note. It's a very long note. They're very descriptive on why they send you what they sent you. Hey girl, your new October Fashom box has arrived. Happy fall. I hope your move went well. Still doing it. And you are settling into your new home. I'm super excited for you to try on some of my Fashom exclusive fall favorites, including some trendy prints and styles and fun colors. We have our two Chris and Carol knot hem tops, including our cool camel print top and our cute leopard print top, which I love. Both in versatile 3/4 length sleeves, perfect for layering under a cardigan. I also included our bright spruce teal Middo Shop t-shirt that is a bright fall color to go with your new black jeans that I got in my last Fashom box. I'm wearing them right now. They're cut from the cloth. They're amazing. Got them at an amazing price from Fashom. Where did I leave off? And perhaps a colorful cardigan or jacket for work. This top is also super soft and will keep you cozy as the weather gets cooler. I'm also excited to show you our colorful multi-way, boxy, modern fit, striped jilly knit top that will also look nice styled with your high-waisted black jeans or even a high-waisted jogger style pant with sneakers for a sporty chic look. Lastly, I'm excited. See, it's a really long note. They're very detailed. Lastly, I'm excited to show you our Chris and Carol tie-dye hoodie. As you know, tie-dye is super in this season, and I thought you would love it since you love that Chris and Carol tie-dye top from your first Fashom box. I do. I love that top. All of the styles are extra larges, except for the sweatshirt to give you a little extra room. But I think this will still have a good roomy fit the way you might want a sweatshirt to fit ya. Have fun trying all of these fab pieces, and I can't wait to see how they work out. Take care, Rachel. Your stylist, Morgan. Thanks, Morgan. I have had Morgan as my stylist, I think, the whole time. And she does a really great job. So good job, Morgan. All right. And with Fashom, if you keep 3 or more items, you get 25% off. And if you keep all 5, you get 30% off. So that's really cool, too. All right. Let's look at our bundle. My little doggy is directly under my tripod of my camera, so can you move? Can you beep beep? Thank you. They send you the return to return whatever you're not keeping. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. That's my girl. Alright. Now I usually rip the tissue paper when I'm trying to take it out of the box. So let's see if I can do it. Beautiful bundle. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Beautiful. I love all of these colors in here. Okay, that's the tie-dye. Sorry, it's getting a little blown out from my light, but the tie-dye, there's that blue camo, this nice teal, animal print, and then look at those fall colors. Oh, everything feels super soft. Let's get into it. I'm gonna move my box. I have my box balanced on a tiny trash can right now because that's how we're doing it. right. Oh, look at. Okay, I might be in the minority for this opinion I'm gonna tell you right now, but I don't like hoods on sweatshirts. Is that weird? I don't know. Like, I might have one sweatshirt that has a hood on it, but I'm just not a big fan of them. So this crew neck tie-dye sweatshirt by Chris and Carol looks freaking amazing. I am so excited for this sweatshirt, okay? Ugh, it has the seam down the back, so it's not going down the front, which I don't mind sometimes in shirts. It has like this banded bottom. I'm so excited. Dolly's us. My dog's sniffing the paper. Here is the blue camo. It's very long. A lot of their shirts I mentioned last time too are very long, which I think is good for leggings. But it's got the crew neck. It has the twist at the bottom. You can see there's a twist. It has the 3/4 length sleeves. That is super cute too. I don't have anything like that. I am like very quickly really loving the Fashom boxes, and their prices are usually pretty affordable too. I think you have like different price tiers you can pick from, and of course I pick like the lowest. This is, okay, this is also Chris and Carol? No, is this the Middow shop? This is the Middow shop. So it is a long sleeve in teal, and then there's no twist or anything. It looks like it's just like a rounded hem on the bottom. And it's like a little V-neck, and in the back it does have a little kind of pleat right there. You can see it. Move the tag. Kind of like a little pleat right there. So that's nice. Very nice, like basic. My lighting, you guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm moving and things aren't perfect, and that's life. Anywho, I know you guys won't care. This is so soft, and I am feeling all the Cruella de Vil vibes in this. Look it. I know it's not Dalmatian print. It is an animal print, but still. It's black and white, classic, 3/4 length sleeve. Has kind of like a band right there. V-neck and a twist. So far, I feel like everything's I'm gonna love. And this is really soft, you guys. Shoot, this might be my first 5 for 5 with Fashom. We'll see how things fit, but this is one of those like trendy, like vertical stripes on one side, horizontal on the other. So we'll see how that looks, but this is so soft. Kind of has that drop shoulder right there. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. Okay, yay. All right. Let's get trying on. We'll see how the try-on goes in this room because I don't know how I'm going to film it. If anyone is interested in this top, I got it from Kohl's in the junior section. It is by the brand So, and I bought it in another color already because I love this top so much. It is casual, but you could dress it up like with a necklace, wear it to work, tuck it in the front. I love it so much. I bought it in an orange. And the orange had a little different texture. It was like plain here, and then the sleeves were kind of like a more waffly knit. No, they weren't waffle knit. They were like ribbed on the sleeves, and I love it. I want to get it in every color. Now they had 2 tie-dye ones, this one and then like pinks and purples, and then they had like an orange, I think a gray and a green maybe. I love it. So if anyone's interested, I got it from Kohl's. Okay, so here's the first top. There's my dog. She's looking at herself in the mirror. Here's the first top. What do you guys think? It's out there. It's a little bit out there. I feel like Fashom always sends me like one out there piece. I don't know if I would have preferred if it went all the way across in the bodice or all the way down in the bodice. My dog's sniffing the box. But I think I like it regardless. Now look in the mirror over here. Even in the back it's the 2 different stripes. It's really, really soft. It's for sure fall colors. I don't know about this one. What do you guys think? It's different. Will I wear it? Probably. Will I fly all the way up? Maybe. I think I like it better tucked in. What do you guys think of this one? Is it a little weird? I think I would have preferred the stripes all the way across. But it's really cute, regardless. I don't know. It's a maybe. It's a maybe on this one. Super soft though. I like the colors. Very fall vibes. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, I love this top. I put this on and I said, hell yeah. There is Dolly Deer over here. A good girl. Okay, she likes this top too. Do you like this top? You do? You're a good girl. I love it. It has the V-neck. Get a little closer. It has the V-neck there. It has the twist at the bottom. It feels really nice. It's really soft. It's a nice length. The previous boxes, they were sending me a larger size than I needed, I felt like. So I asked them to size down, and I feel like that's doing better so far. Yeah, I love this top. Do I feel like Cruella de Vil? Yeah, and I love it. I mean, I don't hate puppies, obviously. I love my dog. So I'm not like Cruella de Vil in that part, but she had a great style, okay? We can't disagree on that. Anyway, I love this top. Keeping this one for sure. And let's try another. So I feel like this one would be really good for leggings because it is longer and it's really flowy. The sleeves are almost too long, but I like it. And it's, like I said, it's long. It covers your tush. So I think this is a really good leggings, like casual. You get home from work, you want to change into this. But then also if you wanted to wear it out or something and tuck it in or tie it in a knot. That was a bad tuck job. But I think you could do that too, and it would still be cute. This would probably be really cute with a vest over it. I don't have a vest, but I have a vested interest in getting a vest. Bad joke. But I think this one's good. I think I would keep this one too. After I filmed the first shirt with the horizontal stripes and the vertical, I decided I liked it. So we are 3 for 3, I think, so far. Even though, like I said, the sleeves are a little bit long, I think I like it. I really like the color. Maybe in one of my subscription boxes I do. Again, Fashom is not a subscription. It's on demand. I could ask for a vest to wear over this, and that might be cute. Yeah, I like this one too. Let's do the next one. This one is perfect for leggings too. Perfect for leggings. I don't think I would wear this one to work. No, I don't think I would. I don't know. I'm not a huge camel person. I do have a couple, but I really like it in this blue tone. Yeah, I really like it. It's really long. Like I said, a lot of their shirts are long that I've gotten from them. So good for leggings. Good for just wearing out, you know, casually. I think it's super cute. I am so pumped for this box. Good job, Morgan. Has the twist in the front. It has the crew neck. I really like the crew neck. The sleeves fit perfectly on this one. Alright, let's do the tie-dye one, which I know I'm going to love because I just love it. Okay, that made sense. Let's do the next one. The lighting in here is so weird right now. But I love this top. I think this box is a 5 for 5. I love it. What do you guys think? How can you not love it? Crew neck, tie-dye. It fits perfectly. Has the band at the bottom so it's not like loosey-goosey down here. Oh, yeah, I love it. I'm going to come home from work. I actually had to work today. It's a Saturday when I'm filming this right now. I had to work today, and this is what I would put on when I would come home from work. Some nice, comfy leggings or joggers. Throw this on. We're good to go. We're golden. I don't know what I'm doing, but I am very happy about this box. Okay. Lighting's weird in here. It's weird being in this different room, but I kind of like having all the room without having a bed in here and everything, like my other room. So, okay, let's go over prices. What a great box, Morgan, if you watch this. Thank you so much. I feel like you guys really listen to like the notes and everything people write to, and as read before, your notes are very extensive as well. So I'm really loving Fashom. If you guys want to try Fashom, I'm going to leave a link below and you would get $10 towards your first box. And with Fashom, your first styling fee is always waived. So that's awesome. And then after that first box, it'd be that $20 I mentioned before. So yeah, if you want to try it, I'm really loving it. I think this is my 5th or 6th one. It doesn't tell you, but I think it's my 5th, maybe my 5th box. I'm pretty sure. I don't know. You guys know, because I'll probably put it in the description of the video. All right, let's do the prices. So the Middle Shop Renee V-neck long sleeve top, which was that teal one, the plain teal one, is originally $43. If I keep everything, which I think I'm going to, it would be $30.10. Chris and Carol Mara animal print top, the black and white one, $41. With 30% off, it's $28.70. Chris and Carol Rumi Army print top, $42. Everything's in the $40 range in this box. $42, 30% off would be $31.50. Jilly Catherine long sleeve striped knit top, $46. 30% off since I'm gonna keep everything, $34.50. Chris and Carol Sky tie dye plus top, $48. That one is maybe a little bit high for that tie-dye sweatshirt, but with 30% off is $33.60. So the subtotal of the box was $220. 30% off takes $66 off, making it $154, and then the $20 that I paid for the styling fee goes towards that, so $134 for those 5 items. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it, you guys. I haven't kept 5 out of 5 from Fashom before. Last box I think was close. I kept 3, in which case I got 25% off everything. I think I'm gonna do it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure. If not, if I don't keep it, if I don't keep the teal top and the striped top, I would still get 25% off the other 3 that I loved. So I'm gonna think about it, but I think I'm gonna do a 5 for 5. I'm pretty sure. 5 for 5. All right, you guys. I think this is gonna be the last Fashom unboxing I do in this house. Hopefully we move by then. I think we're supposed to be getting into our new house after like beginning of November. So it's like mid-October right now. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want to try Fashom, there's a link down below. There's a description about Fashom. There's other links for Stitch Fix, Wantable, you know, stuff like that. It's down there. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, also somewhere down there. And I will see you guys next time in my new house for Fashom, hopefully.